Hello, Invisible Food Dude, back again. I have to keep my identity a secret because I used to work in the food industry, and my various shenanigans upset a few people. So I have to keep my identity complete secret these days. Even when I go out to eat at a restaurant, I usually wear a Planet of the Apes mask so I don't stand out. I'm back in Birmingham again. I used to work here in a restaurant in the 90s, and there was another restaurant right opposite, although that shut down. It was shut down by environmental health for some reason. Don't know why. So one night I was working in the kitchen, just waiting for some asparagus to grill, and just thought to kill a bit of time. I'll pick up my penny whistle, do a bit of practice with my whistle. So I started playing the Princess Leia's theme from Star Wars, and we used to keep the back door open to let the cockroaches out, and a rat came in, and followed by another rat, and another rat, and another rat, and soon there was like 20 rats in the kitchen. There was one in the microwave. There was one having a bath in the smoked haddock soup. There was one running around with kitchen knives. There was one swinging from the chandelier. So I thought, I'm gonna have to get these rats out of here. So I'd noticed that the rats were attracted to the sound of my whistle, my flute, whatever it is. So I started playing it again, but this time I changed it, and I started playing the Imperial March from The Empire Strikes Back. And I walked out of the kitchen into the restaurant, followed by a line of rats, all in single file, strangely, and got a few horrified looks from the customers. Apart from one table who were cheering and clapping. I think they thought that they were animatronics, but they weren't. They were real. And I took them out the front door, led them over the road into the restaurant across the road, where a party was going on, a birthday party, I think. And I let them all in there, and I shut the door behind me, and then I went back over the road to my own restaurant, and I could hear the delighted screams of the 3-year-olds coming from the restaurant. They loved it. They loved the rats. Anyway, I can't talk about that. I've said too much. Today I've been to Popeyes Chicken, which is it's only been open a month in Birmingham, I think. I did go to one in Canada about 20 odd years ago, and I wasn't massively impressed. It was alright though, but I thought I'd give it a go. I wonder if they use olive oil in their recipe. There's a Popeye joke for you too. So I just got some mac and cheese and just 3 pieces of chicken. The chicken was $5.29, I think, and the mac and cheese was $3.50. So it's not cheap. Although I didn't download the app, so there might have been offers in there. I don't know. Not easy to open this with one hand. And there it is. It looks nice. Well, it's a nice colour anyway. Well, immediately, I can't say I'm impressed. That tastes like, you know, the Heinz mac and cheese you get in a tin. It tastes just like that, really. It is a bit better, but not massively. It's alright. Let's have a go at the chicken. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that. You can get spicy chicken, but I just went for the normal. Yeah, it's quite juicy. It's hard to say whether I prefer this or KFC. Yep, it's very nice, that. It's a bit salty. I'm not a big fan of salt, but it's pretty good. So, I think I'd give the chicken 8 out of 10. And mac and cheese, probably 5. So, signing off. See you next time. Please like and subscribe.